Hello everyone, here is how you can successfully set up your SeerBit POS on your Odoo point of sale, and also how you can accept online payments through bank transfer for your social commerce business. Now let's get into the demo. Once you're on your Odoo POS dashboard, you click on Discuss, go to point of sale, you click on Configuration, you pick payments methods, you click on New. Let's name our SeerBit POS. Click on Journal, click on Bank, go to Integration, integrate with Terminal, click on Terminal, integrate with SeerBit. Now head over to your merchant dashboard, your SeerBit merchant dashboard, and copy your public key. Once that is copied, you go back to your Odoo, you paste that, and impute the terminal ID that we gave to you at the point of becoming an approved merchant with SeerBit. Click on Save Manually, and your Odoo has been your SeerBit POS has been successfully set up. Now go back to your point of sale to open a register to start accepting online payments through bank transfer. So now your customer wants to buy a cabinet with doors and also one conference chair. Click on Make Payments. Select your SeerBit POS that you've set up previously. Once you have done this, payments will automatically reflect on your SeerBit POS. On your SeerBit POS, click on Pay, select Transfer. It's currently processing. Copy the account number, the virtual account number, and send to your customer on whatever social media or communication platform you're talking to them on. The customer will then impute this particular account number and send you the exact amount that is reflecting that you have imputed on your Odoo point of sale. So let's wait for your customer to make payments. Once payment is successful, your customer will communicate this to you. You will then have to head over to your SeerBit POS and click on Confirm Payment. Once payment has been approved, it would automatically reflect on your Odoo point of sale. So once payment has been successfully reflected on your Odoo point of sale, that is how to accept payments through bank transfer for your Odoo POS. Thank you.